Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystems LLP. And today I'll be telling you about how you can add lot numbers, serial numbers and expiration dates to your products in your Odoo database. Well, this is a new app which is introduced by Kanak Infosystems, and without further delaying, let me get into the steps. So first you'll have to go to your settings, to the inventory settings in here, and you have to make sure that you have checked lots and serial numbers and expiration dates in here, and then you have saved it. Now you have to go to your inventory, to your products, and let's say I want to add lot number for this product. I'll first go to the inventory tab in here and I'll check on the by lots tracking and the expiration date. I'll add on the days. Let's say it's going to expire in 15 days and it is best before 10 days, and I'll save it. Then I'll go to the update quantity. I'll give it a serial number. Let's say the quantity needs to be 50 and I'll apply it. Make sure that you apply it or else it won't save. And then you go to your POS, start a session, start selling your products. That is why we are here. Alright, so now I'll select the product and I'll add select the lot number I want it from. I can type in the quantity that I require. I'll get the expiration date and removal date and use date over here and the available quantity as well. I click on OK, and the sales order would then be made for the same lot number and the quantities that I've entered. Go on for payment, validate it, and just like that you've made the sale. So you can add multiple lot numbers or serial numbers for these products. For easy tracking of your products, you can know when you have to kick out a product from your warehouse after its expiration, and then you can provide your customers with the best sales experience and purchase experience. Well, if you think this is useful, we have many more videos and apps for you which are way useful for your business. That's what Kanak Infosystems LLP strives to do, to make your businesses hassle-free and very quick and efficient, so that all you have to focus is on growing your business day by day. So if you think you would want to have this app or you want to try out and explore the world of Odoo, do book a consultation on a demonstration with us. You can reach out to us via clicking the link in our bio or through our social media channels, and we would love to assist you.